Welcome! Today in front of me I have the DJI Flip drone alongside the DJI RC2 remote controller, and in this video I'll show how you can both insert and eject an SD card both into the drone or aircraft as well as the RC. So when it comes to the remote controller, you will need to look at the bottom of the remote controller's frame, right where you'll find the charging port, and left to the charging port itself you'll find the memory card slot. So take your micro SD card and simply align it as shown on this icon here. Now put it in and then push it all the way inside until you'll hear a very distinctive click, which will signal that the memory card is inserted successfully. Now, in order to eject or take the SIM card out, you will need to do all the same actions but in reverse. So push into the SIM card, it should pop right out afterwards. And here you have it. When it comes to the aircraft itself, if you were to look on it like that, so the camera facing forward, you'll need to go to the bottom left corner of the frame. And here you'll find once again both the charging or data transferring slot as well as the SD card slot. Here the procedure is identical. You have very tiny, barely visible icon right to the charging port. Here it is. So align your SD card as shown and put it in. Now push it all the way inside until the click is audible, or until you hear a very slight or subtle haptic feedback, should I say. And yep, the memory card has been inserted successfully. Well, in order to eject it, you'll do all the same actions as we did with the remote controller. Simply push it in and it should pop right out. Now take the memory card out the aircraft or the drone. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.